Alright guys, thanks for watching this Diagnostic World video. Right now we are in the cockpit of this BMW F31. The procedure is exactly the same for the F30 as well though. If you look on the dashboard here, first of all, imagine the scene. You're driving along and all of a sudden you get these warning lights popping up on the dashboard. It lights up like a Christmas tree basically. As I say, this is for the BMW F range, so what I'm going to show you here will be pretty much exactly the same for all F series cars, so the 4 series, the 3 series, the new 5, 7, etc. What I'm going to show you, we're going to need to diagnose this fault with a diagnostic scan tool. Now that is best done with the iCarSoft BM2 kit. That is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put the link directly to this kit in the description below. Also, you can just search the Google search engine for Diagnostic World. So what we're going to do is, I'll show you what we'll do. We'll click onto BMW, scroll to BMW, just gives you the version information. And what it's going to do here, it's going to connect with the vehicle, try and establish a connection with the specific modules, and then we'll be able to read the codes from those modules. So this just takes 30 seconds or so to connect here. Generally when you've got a situation like this, it's going to be an ABS sensor. That is the lesser of the few evils. Then you could also have a possible failure of the ABS module or failure of the ABS pump. They generally need to be sent away or replaced completely. So we'll click into manual select and we're going to select our system which we wish to diagnose. So that's going to be the DSC, Dynamic Stability Control, which is the ABS system in the BMW. I'm going to click read DTC. Alright, so we've got a fault code here, 480718. Wheel speed sensor, voltage supply, rear left. So that is a fault which we have seen many times in BMW. Not just BMW, but a lot of other cars as well, and it's a completely common problem. So it's nothing to worry about. All we need to do is replace the ABS sensor. Now the ABS sensors generally available for about £25 from Dominator Auto Diagnostics. Again, I'll put the link down there to the ABS sensor for this vehicle. And what else? Yeah, so what we need to do now, I think we need to go outside and we need to take the wheel off. We need to show you the ABS sensor, show you how to remove the ABS sensor, and we'll put the new one in. Then we'll come back into the vehicle and that should allow us to reset the fault codes. So let's get that, let's get the wheel off and the ABS sensor out. Okay, so the wheel is off now. I'm going to show you where the ABS sensor is. This sensor here goes right into there. So if you can see that's the key which you need to undo, the start key, and this is the ABS sensor here. So it goes underneath this arm here. So you need to undo that, and then the wires come out, you see here, so you need to undo that 10mm, and there's a couple of 8mm down here, and then you'll get access to this little box here where the ABS electrical connection goes to. So we'll show you how to do that right now. So you'll see what I'm talking about. Now we've got these two off. Gives you a lot easier access to this box here. And it will be full of dirt, but what you can do is just slide out the ABS sensor, unclip it, and then you can take it apart like that. So this bit stays with the vehicle, so this bit here stays with the vehicle, and this needs to completely unravel. Like I say, you follow it around the back, follow it underneath this arm, and then eventually into the hub with your star key, and it comes out that way. So on this arm here you've got two fasteners, you've got one there and one there. Now to do this, just simply take a flathead screwdriver, shove it in like that, and that will open up this bracket and it'll allow you to free the ABS sensor from underneath. So do the same with that one. Once you've done them both, you should be able to completely pull out this ABS sensor. Then use your star key. I'm not sure what star key it is off the top of my head. I'll go and find that out now. Okay, so it's a T27. If I can get that in front there. Oops. Yeah, it's a T27 that you need. So we're just gonna put that in there. There we are. And then, in theory, this ABS sensor should just pull out from the hub. Now sometimes it can be very difficult, so you might need to put a little lubricant around there. Like I say, some of them are harder than others to get out. Some of them are easy to get out, but that's what you need to pull out. Alright, so the replacement sensor which you'll need, this is the part number for this vehicle in any case, but you can pick that up from Dominator Auto Diagnostics, and these are the guys that will supply this sensor. It costs about £24–25, but this is what we need to hook straight back up to the vehicle. So really, hooking this sensor back in is just simply complete reverse. I'll show you the length of the sensor. So that's the electrical connection which just inserts back into there, and then this is obviously what goes into the hub, and this is just new wiring which is fed in behind this arm here. So that's all you need to do. So we're going to crack on with that now, and then we'll get back into the vehicle and see if we can get rid of these ABS lights on the dashboard. Alright, so we're back in the vehicle now. We've put everything back together. All the ABS sensor is now hooked back up. Everything is bolted back up. We'll start the engine, see what happens, see if the lights stay on or they turn off. There we go, they've all turned off automatically. One thing we need to do though is erase the trouble codes, because the codes will still be stored on the system. So this is when we come back to the BMW kit, and this will allow us to erase the trouble codes. Obviously this park and brake light is on because we've still got the park and brake on. Alright, manual select. So we'll scroll down again to DSC, stability control, read DTCs. So it's still got the fault code there. So what I'm going to do is clear fault memory. Do you wish to clear that? Yes. Succeeded to clear DTC. So if we go back in and read the codes now, no DTCs. There we go. So that's all completely done and dusted, and it's all testament to the I think the BMW kit needs to take a lot of the praise, because that is what is going to allow us to read the codes and tell us where the fault is. So that kit, as I mentioned, is available at Diagnostic World, www.diagnostic-world.com. I will put the link below this video. And as regards to the ABS sensor, the replacement ABS sensor, that is available at Dominator Auto Diagnostics. It's www.bavariandominator.co.uk. Again, I will put the link to this below the video. So thanks very much for watching. It's quite an easy process. Out of 10, I would say, you know, maybe it's a 3 or 4 out of 10. Time wise, you could be done within, I would say, possibly an hour and a half, depending on how easy it is for that ABS sensor to come out of the hub. You know, you saw me trying to pull it in and it wasn't coming. Well, when I turned the camera off, obviously I got it out eventually, and you know, it took about 10 minutes or so. But what you can do is stick a sort of a flat nose screwdriver in between the hub and the sensor and knock it with a hammer, and you'll find it sort of eases its way out. But that's for you to look at. So obviously if you do get those ABS sensors warning lights, then that's what you need to do. The kit is also handy if you do get any of the warning lights. such as airbags or engine, transmission, oil service, anything like that, you name it. So thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if it's helped you, and please subscribe to the channel and give it a share if you need to. Thanks very much. See you next time.